This is a 1989 Buick Riviera. It is 40 degrees outside, and this is a cold start. Also, I think the battery has low cold cranking amps, so it might not start. So I have to put a new battery in it. So that actually started pretty well, to be honest with you. I have to go to DEQ, so I'm gonna drive this thing like crazy. It's been sitting in a car. It's sitting in a garage since for like 5 years. But it passed emissions in 14, and then he never did it because it's just been sitting, and then he finally sold it. So I gotta go drive around for a good like 30 minutes to an hour because this thing is blowing smoke. Coming. Let's see, let me get some other revs in there just to warm up the engine. Let's just pop this. Let's just do this. Put this guy down here. Sorry for the nice little camera problems. Okay, well, I'm gonna go driving around now, so see you guys later. Check out this playlist. It's in my playlist, 1989 Buick Riviera. I have some driving videos. Thanks for watching.